Okay, here we have the portion of the middle ear, and we're going to start at the tympanic membrane that leaves right from the external auditory canal, which would be over here. Here's the tympanic membrane, or also known as the eardrum, this clear piece. It leads directly to the malleus, or also known as the hammer. Then it goes to the incus, or also known as the anvil. And then it goes to the stapes, or also known as the stirrup. Kind of looks like a horse stirrup. Directly underneath the stapes we have the oval window, which you can't see unless we remove it. Next we have the round window, this little portion right here. Then we have this vestibule area, or trunk area, and leading off of it are all these pieces, which are the vestibule nerves. And coming around to this shell area is the cochlea. Coming off the cochlea we have the cochlea nerves. Once the cochlea nerves and the vestibule nerves join into one, it's the vestibulocochlear nerve. Next we have these rings, which are called the semicircular canals. And also another term on this piece we need to know is the membranous labyrinth, which I will show you on a 3D model. My 3D model is missing part of this structure here, which first here we have the tympanic membrane right here, this clear portion, and then we would have the malleus, this portion here. Next would be this incus, and then it would attach towards this stapes area right here, which we'll start off on our 3D model. Here on our 3D model, as I showed you there back on the picture, is the stapes. It's this portion right here. Directly underneath that would be the oval window. If we turn the model slightly, we can see the round window right here, that little projection. We have the vestibule area, where we have the vestibule nerves coming off of it, all those yellow nerves. And then we have the cochlea, the shell area, and then we have the cochlea nerve. Once they join together, it's the vestibulocochlear nerve. Then we have the semicircular canals, and resting on the semicircular canal we have that membranous labyrinth, that blue area, which we can also see back here in the bigger model. Stapes, cochlea, cochlea nerve, you can see part of the vestibular nerve, and you have the membranous labyrinth, the blue piece, these semicircular canals.